In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Red Orb in Cobbleverse. Now to do this, you'll need to go ahead and find Groudon. So this is a location where Groudon is going to spawn. It's going to look like a volcano right over here, and you're able to craft a Groudon radar in order to find the structure. So let me go ahead and provide you with the crafting recipe. Alright, so this is the crafting recipe for the Groudon radar. It will consist of fire charges, Poke Radars, a ground gem, charcoal stick, magma blocks, and the Poke Radar itself. Here is the crafting recipe for that. So it definitely is a little bit of a grind. You also need to make sure you have defeated the Hoenn region. And now you're going to be bought over here. Of course, you could use the Earth Core to spawn a Groudon, but now let's look for the Red Orb before we spawn him in. So the Red Orb is actually going to be deep over here in this lava pool. And I know you can barely see anything right now, but check this out. If we go in game mode spectator, we're actually able to go ahead and see through the lava significantly easier. And if we scroll down, you'll notice that we'll have a chest right over here with the Red Orb. So it is going to be a little bit of a challenge to actually find it. You will need to go ahead and actually go over here. But check this out. If we go ahead and put ourselves back in creative mode and let's open this barrel again. If I can find it, like, dude, it's so hard. All right, there you go. And then as you can tell, I was able to go ahead and get the Red Orb. And then once you get the Red Orb, you're able to use this to turn regular Groudon into Primal Groudon. And then, of course, you could just spawn him in like you normally would. You would just put in the Earth Core to spawn in Groudon. Then you need to capture him, give him the Red Orb, and you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.